Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Stroud here again. This is our phonics and grammar for today, April 15th, 2020. It is Wednesday. It's a beautiful day outside. So maybe you guys can get some work done, get outside, come in, do a little bit more, right? Okay, so yesterday we worked with adjectives that compared tall, taller, tallest. Today we're going to use adverbs. So what is an adverb? An adverb tells when, where, or how something happened, and they can also be used to compare actions. Actions, verbs, right? It's even in the word. Okay, add the ending er to adverbs to compare two actions, and to compare more than two actions, add the ending est. So our thinking question today is how many actions are being compared? And I also want to point out that this one says late, later, latest. Okay. But look at quickly. Ends in ly. Remember our pages from last week? More quickly, most quickly, right? Then we have fast, faster, fastest. So let's take a look at our example. It says Len jumped high. I jumped higher than Len, and Lou jumped the highest of all. Okay, so when we can have one, we just say hi. When we have Len and I, that's me, Miss Stroud. I, always capital, right? Then we use higher. There's two of us. And then when we add on Lou, there's more than two, so Lou jumped the highest. So let's take a look. Number one, I thought the whale swam fast than the dolphin. What are we comparing? The dolphin and the whale. So here we are. I thought the whale swam faster than the dolphin. Next, Lee thought the dolphin swam the fast of all the animals we saw. So dolphins, more than one, right? But fast of all the animals. So I'm thinking that there's more than two if we're talking about all the animals. So what will we add to the end of that? Number three, we talked softly than we do in school. Oh my, we talk softly in school. What will we talk? Take a look, guys. That ly ending's there. What are we going to use there? That's our tricky one. Let's go back up here and take a look. We're comparing how we're talking now and how we talk in school. More than one, right? Is it two or more than two? Okay, number four. The dolphin dived deep than the school of fish. Okay, so we're comparing a dolphin and a school of fish. Put our answer there. Alrighty, we are going to go on from page 105 to page 106. It's our spelling for today. Okay, it says write each basic word under the correct heading. So words ending with es, and then words ending with ed. Okay, so let's take a look at our word. Cities, cried, puppies, hurried, stories, flies, parties, tried, pennies, fried, carried, babies, spied, ponies. Our review words are pretty and very, and our challenge words are countries and libraries. Let's see. What about the review words? They don't have es or ed. Let's read down here. Review. Suppose you were asked to add a column for the review words. What would you name the heading of that column? Words ending with blank. Okay, and your challenge is to add the challenge words to your word sort. So, we're going to take a look at our words. We're going to sort them. We're going to say them over. And we're going to add them to our list. Let's say them one more time. Number 1, cities. Number 2, cried. Number 3, puppies. Number 4, hurried. Number 5, stories. Number 6, flies. Even though it looks like it has a little space in there, it's the word flies. Number 7, parties. Number 8, tried. Number 9, pennies. Number 10, fried. Number 11, carried. Number 12, babies. Number 13, spied. Number 14, ponies. Our review words are pretty and very. And our challenge words are countries and libraries. Okay, boys and girls, you can listen to this over and over again to listen to your words. Let's make up a paper, put our endings on the top, and sort our words. Okay? Have a great day.